We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you to smash that like button to when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with MULN, and MULN stock had an explosive run today, broke through key levels that we talked about before in yesterday's video, and while the rest of the market was falling, MULN stock was taking off, right? The SPY continued to drop, and today, early on in the morning, our SPY bot sent us out a bear indicator since 9:45 a.m. And from that moment forward, put options were up 3 to 4x within the day, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets, whether stocks are going up or going down, to maximize on opportunities within the volatility, guys. And you can now gain access to this as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected to the SPY bot as well. So the overall market was pulling downwards. MULN was actually going higher, breaking through key levels that we talked about. We're going to break it all down in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we'll jump right into it here with MULN stock. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 20% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was IMPP. We caught this one in the pre-market, consolidating, going into strength on 42 vision, jumped up 20% plus in the first 10 minutes, pulled back, got that bull indicator, full strength again, jumped up 50% plus, and within the volatility, it hit a highest point of 90% plus, guys. Now, this is not a home run that we caught just today. We have been seeing this one since last week, and every single day, it has given us home run opportunities of 20% plus. This is very rare, doesn't happen all the time, but since we mentioned it till today, it's hit a highest point of 400% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, early on within the week, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULN stock, and MULN stock had an explosive run today, right? We talked about key levels yesterday in our video. We're going to break it all down, how it reacted today and what to look for going into tomorrow, and if this could continue, because based off 42 vision, it was looking pretty exciting. And also, here we have Ultimate 42 vision showing some exciting data based off the charts. And I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets and maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MULN stock, and the stock had an explosive run. You can see here the bull indicator today on the 30-minute from way down here at 75 cents. Took off, consolidated around this area here of 95 cents to $1, and then took off, hit 120 and rejected it. And here it is trying to pull up even higher. This is very interesting how things played out, but it found a support here. I stated in yesterday's video, it was at an exciting point that usually when you see white with red borders, there tends to be a reversal. And the key thing I was looking for is that reversal of white with red borders going into red with green, dark green, then green, and a bull indicator signifying true strength. Because we had two jumps that recently happened, but they were weak, right? It went from 87 cents to $1, about 20%. And then we had here 86 cents to 118, about 20 to 40%, almost 50%. But today it ran nearly 70% plus, and it got that strength, and it did a full transition. The question is, could it continue? So we have key levels to watch, and you could see based off the history of the chart today how it played out, how it used these key levels as support and how it broke through them and stayed above them every single time. That's what we're going to break down in today's video, what to look for going into tomorrow. And we're going to look at it also from the bigger time frames to keep in mind that even though this move happened, there's still some things to watch. The first thing is the 4 hour, right? We go over to the 4 hour and you could see here that it's still under a bear indicator. We want this bear indicator to actually get negated and actually see a bull indicator pop up in this move. Now the move is happening, right? I stated we wanted to see this go from red to dark green, continue the transitions, find support levels up here as it breaks through the resistance, and have a bull indicator pop up to negate this bear indicator. But within this move, this is all volatility right now, and we are still under a bear indicator here. We need to see a bull indicator pop up within these moves as it's happening. Now, the 1 day, same thing, right? You zoom out, and things have been bearish since way up here at $11. And this is one of the biggest things that a lot of people have been doing, right? They go back in time, and they're like, wow, this stock is undervalued. It's actually been really pushed down. This could go back to $5, $7, $11. Now, I'm not going to state that that's impossible, but the likelihood is very difficult because this is a company losing money. And that is probably one of the biggest things you want to be aware of fundamentally. Now, in this video, I don't state this as a buy, sell, or hold, or as any financial advice. Anything that I share here, or any videos, or any stocks I talk about, it is not financial advice. It is just me and sharing the charts with you guys. But one of the main things is that this is very speculative. It does have potential if it gets attention in its sector and inflows pick up. And the closer this is to its 52-week low, the bigger the opportunity could be if it found a support down at the 50-cent range. But right now, let's zoom back in and let's look at this based off of what we have right now and what we need to pay attention to, because the stock has reacted as we anticipated. We got the bull indicator. We got the full transitions. We broke through resistance levels that were key. And here we are above $1, right? I stated $1 was a key level of resistance to be turned into a support. You could see how I broke through it, came back down, stayed between 93 cents and $1, and then it broke out of it, used it as support, and it went even higher to the point that it slightly broke through 120, rejected it, and it's trying to go back up. So the key resistance level right now is 120. If that gets broken through, the next one would be up here at 147. I would even round that up to 150. That is a key resistance level for the continuation of this move. And we want to watch if this bull indicator holds true and no bear indicator pops up to actually end up negating it, right? We do not want that. We want to see strength in the chart. Now, to the downside, we have a key level to watch, and that is 98 cents. We can just round that up to $1. If that gets broken through, the next point of reference is down here at 92. I would just round that down to 90 cents. And if both of those get broken through, the next support level would be way down here at 83 cents, guys. Those are the key levels to the downside. And the worst case scenario is the lowest point, which is 70 cents. I would just round it down. It says 72 cents here, but I would just round that down to 70 cents. And I'll be watching if on the pullbacks, there is a bear indicator that pops up within the 30-minute, within this volatility, or if they turn out to be pullbacks, no bear indicator pops up. And this is where the setup, right, on these pullbacks is the setup for the next bull run, right? I always say that. They're not setbacks, if not setups for the next bull run. If this bull indicator holds true, if this continues upwards, pulls back slightly, no bear indicator anywhere in the pullback, and things pull back up with strength, breaking through new resistance levels and newer highs. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.